Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to dual boot Manjaro 25 and Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and download Manjaro from the official website. I recommend to download XFCE edition of Manjaro. And once you have done that, go to another tab and download Rufus for making the bootable USB of Manjaro. And once you have done that, you need to insert your pen drive, which is at least of 8 GB, and make sure to back up your pen drive data. And after that, go to your downloads directory and open Rufus. Now select the ISO of Manjaro which you just downloaded. Now click on start, and this process is going to take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this part. So finally this process is completed. Now close Rufus and then right click on your start menu and open disk management. Now right click on your local disk C or any other local disk and select shrink volume. Now give at least 40 GB of free space for Manjaro and click on shrink. Now let's reboot and try to boot from the USB of Manjaro. Now while your computer is restarting, you need to press the boot menu key for your motherboard to open the boot device selection menu, and you need to select the USB option. Now after that, you will boot into Manjaro. You can just choose the option which says boot with open source drivers. After connecting to Wi-Fi network, click on launch installer. After that, select your language and click on next. After that, select your region for time zone. After that, select your keyboard layout. Now here in this option, you need to select the correct disk with the free space. So in my case, it is my 256 GB SSD. And after that, click on replace a partition. So as you can see, this is the free space which I created from Windows. So if I click on it, it will automatically create a partition for Manjaro. So after that, click on next. After that, type your user details. Now it will ask to install Office Suite. I don't want any, so I'm going to click no. After that, it will show the summary of your installation. So if you are okay with it, then click on install and click on install now. Now this process is going to take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this part as well. So finally the installation is complete. Now you can click on this restart now and click on done, and it will automatically restart your computer. Now while your computer is restarting, press the BIOS menu key to go into your BIOS menu, and after that go into the boot tab and make sure that the Manjaro has the first boot priority, and after that press F10 to exit setup. Now every time you start your computer, you will see a grab menu to choose between operating system. So as you can see, first let's boot into Manjaro Linux. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Manjaro Linux. Now let's reboot into Windows. Choose Windows Boot Manager to boot into Windows. So as you can see, our Windows is also working just fine. So that's it for the video. Now if you want to uninstall Manjaro, then what you have to do is right click on your start menu and open disk management. Now select the Manjaro partition and select delete volume. Now select the local disk next to it and select extend volume. Click on next, and finish, and it will merge the free space. Now after that, we need to delete the bootloader of Manjaro. So first, for that, open Windows search and type PowerShell. Now you need to open PowerShell as administrator. Now type disk part. Now type list space vol, and it will show the list of volume. Now you need to select the volume which says system. So in my case it is volume 2, so type cell vol 2. Now you need to assign a letter for this, so type assign letter is equals to Z, and type exit to exit disk part. Now type Z colon, and you will go into the Z drive. Now type ls to see the list of directories. Now you need to go inside the EFI directory, so type cd EFI. Now if you type ls, you will see the list of directory inside EFI. Now you need to delete the Manjaro directory, so type rmdir Manjaro and type y. Now if you type ls, you will see that Manjaro directory is deleted. So we have successfully removed Manjaro as well. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.